NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Answer. We are given 2 points, -1, 7 and 4, -3. Let us call these points as A and B. There is a line segment joining A and B, and we have to find a point on this line segment that divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3. Let us call this required point as P of x, y. The formula to find the coordinates of the point P of x, y, dividing the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 in the ratio m:n is P of x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. X coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 4, and y2 is equal to -3. Let us substitute these values in P of x, y is equal to these coordinates, which is equal to m is 2, x2 is 4 plus n is 3, x1 is -1 divided by m is 2, n is 3, comma m is 2, y2 is -3, n is 3, y1 is 7 divided by m is 2, n is 3, that is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times -3 is -6 plus 3 times 7 is 21 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5. -6 plus 21 is 15. 15 divided by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 15 by 5 is 3. So the required point is 1, 3. The answer to the given question: find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3 is 1, 3.